Hello. In this tutorial, I am going to walk you through how to send an email from Emails and Surveys, the best marketing tool for your small business or nonprofit. The first step is to give us permission to send email on your behalf. If you don't have a domain, you need to go purchase one from your local provider such as GoDaddy. To register your domain, access your profile by clicking either your logo or your initials, and go to Domain and Email Verification. Now click Add or Verify a Domain. Let's enter the Emails and Surveys domain, so you can see the instructions and click Next. Please take time and read the instructions we have given for GoDaddy. Your DNS provider will have a process to support this configuration. If you do not know your DNS provider, please reach out to your local IT support first, and then Emails and Surveys support to help. Once you have made your DNS changes, it is best practice to wait a day or two so this change can propagate worldwide. Now let's go look at how to create an email template. Go to my desktop where all our publishing tools are in place to create emails, SMS templates, forms, surveys, and putting images in my drive. You have a couple different options for creating an email template. We would encourage you to use one of our pre-made templates, which you can see by clicking Free Templates. You can modify these templates to incorporate your brand and artwork. If you would like Emails and Surveys to create a template for you, please refer to the Build It For Me at the Emails and Surveys YouTube channel for more information. Your last option is build your own HTML template. Before you try and create a template, we highly recommend you review the tutorial, How to Work with the Email Editor, at our YouTube channel. Now let's go actually send an email. We will use one of our published pages called Welcome Email. To send an email, you just go to the campaign wizard, My Campaigns, Email Campaigns. Click the green add icon. This will just be a regular campaign. Select HTML email. Give it a name and a campaign type, lead nurturing. Select the welcome email template. Pick the group My Customers. Set a subject, Welcome to Emails and Surveys. Let's go ahead and perform a spam check. Great, this passed. Now select Send Now or Schedule for Later. We always recommend testing your template first, so you can send a test email now. Click Send Campaign when you are ready. And that's it. If you found this tutorial beneficial, please like it and give us feedback on how we did. And follow the Emails and Surveys channel for more tutorials on how to use our product suite.